On Monday, we forecast Brent prices to break past $90 a barrel and print between $91 and $93 a barrel. Interestingly, while Brent prices have remained strong all week, they continue to find resistance in the high $90 a barrel mark and currently stand at $90.45 a barrel. In the forecast, we cited continued conflict escalation and uncertainty vis-à-vis where Iran falls in this geopolitical chess game as bullish factors for Brent this week. The US suspects an attack by Iran against Israel, while Israel warns of retaliation should such an attack take place. In other words, the current geopolitical climate has continued to inject risk into the benchmark futures, but it will be interesting to see how the market prices in any further developments over the next week. Despite this, bearish forces entered through macroeconomic sentiment, with the US Fed signaling on Thursday that they were in no rush to cut interest rates, with a 0.4% rise in March CPI to 3.5% year-on-year, highlighting just how sticky US inflation continues to be. The dollar has been on a surge upwards since the CPI announcement, which is bad news for oil because it makes oil expensive for buyers holding other currencies. Further bearishness permeated into sentiment on Wednesday when the EIA announced a build of over 5.8 million barrels in US crude oil inventories against median expectations of an 800 kilobarrels build. Refined fuel also took a hit, with gasoline stocks noting a 715 kilobarrels build and distillates seeing a 1.6 million barrels build at a time when we should be seeing draws for these products. Producer group OPEC remains confident, however, that the world's oil demand will grow by 2.25 million barrels per day this year and by 1.85 million barrels per day next year, with a robust outlook for the summer months. The market will be waiting to see if the IEA has something to add to this in their oil monthly report, which will be out today. Next week will tell us whether Brent breaks into $91 a barrel or whether the bears will take over. Either way, we'll be here on Monday to deliver a fresh Brent forecast.